Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Zita Site Builder. I am Anurag, here to show you how to get the license key and activate it. Let's get started. It is showing inactive as we did not activate the site builder yet. To activate the plugin, we will need the license key. Click on Activate Now. To get your license key, click on Find Your License Key. Log in using your Zita member ID and password. Click on Get License. This is your license key, copy it. Go to the license key page. Paste the license key here, and click on Activate. The plugin has been activated. You can choose your desired design and build your site. To go to the dashboard, click on this icon. To see the details about the license key, click on the license key in the Zita Site Builder menu. All the details are showing. That's it in this video. If you find the video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.